Mami then come out again for Wotutu. I dey bring am for una every day with the siam. With the siam every day. With the siam every day. It dey come clear for our eye. It dey come clear for our eye. With the nye. All we with the nye. Mami and papa them, fellow Ambazonians. My name na Fabiano Deco. Your friend, your brother, your comrade, your humble servant. On Tuesday, 21 April 2026, Mami them for Wotutu. They come out outside. They block road. They say no motor no go pass until they fix their light. They never get light for 2 months. Suppose they say they never get them for 3 months. So when they never get themselves, they never see light for the past 4. And when they cut the light, for example, even time when they be to get the light, sometimes go be way they will get light for inside 1 month, they'll get light for 1 week and a half. Then 1 week, another time they no get them. So they see and say that they get light for inside 1 month like that kind, 2 weeks and a half. You get the point. But the way be the come the same way they be to get like 1 month. You get the that means when I see the kind of mafia way they know, you know the end for day. It shows say even time where they say transformer spoil, the quarter go contribute money, people will contribute money, they go get them for a new people. A new people, they will take that money she done on top. Then they go look, they go decide when they want come put them back. Maybe after 1-2 months, you want talk, they say they so transformer there for now for Douala. Douala never give order. Why transformer no fit there for Boya? So the thing away, La République de gérer Southern zone now from Douala, then gérer Northern zone from Bafoussam. You get the point now? So Bafoussam na headquarter for Northern zone, then Douala na headquarter for Southern zone. Now why that una see even so na no dey pay tax for Limbe, they pay tax now for Douala. Ambazonians, Mami and Papa them. This is our reality. We cannot deny it. It is the reason, one of those reasons why we keep saying that it is either Ambazonia or Ambazonia. Now the only hope that we'll get them. Apart from that, nothing. The only hope we'll get now free and independent Southern Cameroon's Ambazonia. Finish. Must our parents, our mothers, our siblings, must they protest to get what is rightfully theirs? Must they protest? We saw it in Manfe, Bonakanda, in Boya. We saw it in Maifo, Limbe, Mutengene, Kumba, Bamenda. Who's I will never see them? Who's I will never see them? And the funny thing I say, some of these a new guy them, they benefit from that kind of nyama system. They can't talk say this so okay, Muna give me quarter contribute when license. So a new guy they can't say me quarter contribute money before you can climb for that pole. You understand? When I job normally, quarter contribute money they give climb for that pole. Time go be again. You ain't climb, you no go fix it like say don't fix an oil because it go spoil again after. Now, we'll look at some very, very simple things for address them, right? For look at. What to do on that side for Limbe, right? No day, La Republic need to pass with petrol. Go to for Douala. I talk say, no day. Where La Republic need to pass with petrol from Limbe. Go to for Douala. No day. The amount of tanker them, now back to back. But what people they stay, they don't get light. You get the point? That transformer them. Why this say when La Republic they want put transformer? The transformer must always blow after some time. No, move face fact, bro. Move face fact. Some of una when they watch the video, una there for white man country, right? Una they even see them for play, una they stay. Una never hear so they say transformer get problem. You think that say the transformer over bad? No. Now, if a new, they don't discover and say transformer for some particular quarter, it always blow, it always burn, right? It means a wait, the transformer no fit carry the amount of electricity for that area. What do? You step up. Stepping up means waiting. You bring a bigger transformer for carry more people. The people are ready to pay. You understand? They even pay for it. Even the one that you take it from them by crook, you trick them and take money from them by inflating their bills. They don't still complain. They still pay you. You cannot provide them with common a transformer that can last, that can carry power in that particular area. Ambazonians, if transformer is born for some area, for example, now most of the things that they ever talk, say that they need to go bring transformer for Douala. Okay, since as a boya, they don't bring them for boya, now Douala they will go bring them. Why it be say for comot Douala come, it must take like 1-2 months. But for petrol for comot for Limbe go Douala na 3-4 hours. Una see am? Okay. If the transformer is born, we can say they bring the transformer away. Na transformer away is supposed to carry like 10 houses them. Why not if you go bring transformer away if you carry 35 houses them? It's possible, right? These are normal, easy things to do. But because we are living with a wicked, corrupt, rotten, and satanic people, they care less about our people. Somebody ask and say, Fabiano, why Amber no go give them light? Why Amber no go give them light? Listen. Now, La Republique is duty to give our people good infrastructure. Listen, I will say this all the time. Now, La Republique du Cameroon is duty, is place to give our people good infrastructure now. Anything La Republique do for our land, they supposed to don't do and things. And as they do them, right, we owe them nothing. They are supposed to have done it. Why? Because they are the occupying authority at the moment. Now then they extract our natural resources them. They are stealing from us. So they're supposed to provide our people with basic amenities. Hospital, roads, electricity, water. I don't want to talk about internet. You're the worst one that. MTN, you activate on a Orange, on a Nextel, or all of them are the same. You activate data for 1 month. You want be 3 days, you don't finish. You complain for who? No man. You want to go to the same, you add money. This is the system people want us to live in. Our mothers, our people must protest before they get what is rightfully belongs to them. No. No. I say no, no, no. We go ginger them. Southern Cameroon has always been the beauty of the world, the land of glory. Before one even can say we try this, come stay with La Republique, we don't do well. We even borrow La Republique money. Power come. We had electricity in Southern Cameroon. Aijo, Pobia, they can't destroy everything. So that we should be depending on them. God forbid. But we don't talk say me they enjoy while it lasts. When mommy and papa them for Wotutu, I don't see una action when I don't make a good work. Now so it day. Any area where una not get light for some time, una gather una self, una come off for street, block the road, they go pull una light. And when the light go, una still do them again, they go pull una light. Now una right forget that light because una they pay for. Even if una not they pay for, now una own thing. They thief una petrol go down for Douala. They thief una petrol every day and una they pay the tax for La Republique. So now una right. La Republique will give una light, whether you like them or not. They will give you people. Yes, they will give it. When Ambazonian go be in place, when Ambazonian go be in charge of the natural resources, them, our people will never protest to get what rightfully belongs to them. We will enjoy na no na kuna skin, na small. But as we do waka di waka now, so no, La Republique no, they go collect, shake, they. I say we go ginger them until they come off our land. They go pack come out. Be clear. Don't forget to like, comment, share, follow, turn on notification, subscribe for daily update, back to back update